All right, let's jump right in. Today, we're digging into a pretty big topic. Why that old school security training just isn't cutting it anymore in the age of AI. And more importantly, what we should be doing instead. Now, before we get started, just a quick heads up. This is the second part of our deep dive into a major report on AI training. We're pulling out the key ideas here, but remember, it's just a snapshot of the full research.
And all the insights we're talking about today, they come directly from that report by Virtualization Options LLC. Okay, with that covered, let's get to the real heart of the issue.
So let's start with a really simple, direct question. Think about your own company's security training, that once a year click-through course. Is it really ready for the kinds of threats we're seeing today? Well, according to the research for the vast majority of companies out there, the answer is a pretty blunt no. That old model just can't keep pace anymore. And this slide really paints the picture, doesn't it? On one side, you have the old way, static, predictable, really just a check-the-box exercise for compliance. It's outdated almost the second it's released. But on the other side, you have AI-driven threats. They're fast, they're adaptive, they are relentless. It's a complete mismatch in speed and agility. And that really hits the nail on the head. The report makes it crystal clear. What we used to do is just not good enough to defend against what's happening now, let alone what's coming tomorrow. Okay, so that leads to the obvious question, right? If the old model is completely broken, what are we supposed to do? How do we build a defense that can actually move at the speed of the threat? This is where the report introduces a really powerful idea it calls a continuous update cadence. Now, this isn't just a new name for the same old thing. It's a totally different engine. We're talking about moving away from that rigid once-a-year schedule to a dynamic, ongoing cycle that's constantly being fed by what's happening in the real world right now. And let's be super clear about this. This isn't about just burying your team in more training modules. It's not about quantity. It's about being strategic. It's about training smarter. So what exactly fuels this smarter ecosystem? Well, your report points to three key ingredients. First, live threat intelligence feeds, so you know what the bad guys are up to this very minute. Second, your own internal incident reports, because you have to learn from what's happening inside your own walls. And third, all the new research coming out of academia and the industry, which keeps you one step ahead. You see, when you put those three things together, your training program stops being this dusty old library of information nobody looks at. Instead, it becomes a living, breathing defense mechanism that's evolving in real time, right alongside the threats. So how does this actually work in practice? Well, the report lays out a super practical 30, 60, 90-day rhythm. Every 30 days, you're pushing out small, critical updates and alerts based on immediate threats. Think a new phishing attack that's making the rounds. Then, every 60 days, you roll out targeted modules for specific teams. Maybe the finance department needs a specific update on a new type of fraud. And then, every 90 days, you do a full-scale review and update your entire baseline curriculum. And the whole point of this cadence, as the report says, is to get the right information to the right person at exactly the right time. It's all about being personal, timely, and actually effective. So, if you remember just one thing today, let it be this. Your defense has to evolve at the same speed as the offense. The era of static, set-it-and-forget-it security is over. And I'll leave you with this final thought. Take a hard look at your own training program and ask yourself, honestly, is it designed to fight yesterday's battles, or is it ready for what's coming next?